Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change who can see your future posts on the Facebook app. This is an important privacy setting, and adjusting it gives you more control over who sees what you share. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Next, tap on the menu icon at the top right, then tap on Icon Settings at top. In the Settings menu, look for the section called Audience and Visibility. Under that, tap on Posts. Now, tap on Who can see your future posts. Here you can choose the audience for your future posts. You can set it to Public, Friends, Except, Specific People, or Only Me. Tap on the option that works best for you. Then click on Save to confirm your selection. And that's it. Your future posts will now be shown only to the audience you selected. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.